What are the key properties of semiconductor memory? A. Only used for cache memory. B. Magnetic storage only. C. Volatile, fast access, high density. D. Non-volatile, slow access, low density. The answer is C. Volatile, fast access, high density. What is the difference between DRAM and SRAM in terms of speed? A. DRAM is faster. B. Both have same speed. C. Neither is faster. D. SRAM is faster. The correct answer is SRAM is faster. What is the difference between DRAM and SRAM in terms of cost? A. Cost depends on manufacturer. B. SRAM is more expensive. C. DRAM is more expensive. D. Both cost the same. The correct answer is SRAM is more expensive. What are some applications for ROM? A. Main system RAM. B. Cache memory. C. Firmware and BIOS storage. D. Virtual memory. The correct answer is firmware and BIOS storage. What are the differences among EPROM, EEPROM, and flash memory? A. All are identical. B. EPROM uses ultraviolet. EEPROM electrical bytes. Flash electrical blocks. C. Flash is the oldest technology. D. EPROM is electrically irreversible. EEPROM uses ultraviolet light. The correct answer is EPROM uses ultraviolet. EEPROM electrical bytes. Flash electrical blocks. What are the key characteristics of computer memory system? A. Only speed and size. B. Only access time. C. Only cost and power. D. Location, capacity, access method, performance, physical type, and organization. The correct answer is location, capacity, access method, performance, physical type, and organization. What are the differences among sequential access, direct access, and random access? A. Random access is only for cache. B. Sequential is equals to tape. Direct is equals to disk. Random is equals to RAM. C. Direct is faster than random. D. All are the same. The correct answer is sequential is equals to tape. Direct is equals to disk. Random is equals to RAM. What are the elements of cache memory design? A. Mapping, replacement, write policy, block size, cache level. B. Only power consumption. C. Only access time. D. Only size and speed. The correct answer is mapping, replacement, write policy, block size, cache level. How does the principle of locality relate to the use of multiple memory levels? A. It only applies to disks. B. It slows down memory access. C. It allows faster memory to store frequently used data. D. It has no relation. The correct answer is it allows faster memory to store frequently used data. What are the differences among direct mapping, associative mapping, and set associative mapping? A. Direct uses no tags. B. Direct for fixed lines, associative for any line, set associative for limited line per set. C. All are identical. D. Associative uses no tag. The correct answer is direct for fixed lines, associative for any line, set associative for limited line per set. What is the typical disk sector size? A. 64 bytes, B. 512 bytes or 4 kilobytes, C. 256 bytes, D. 1 megabyte. The correct answer is 512 bytes or 4 kilobytes. Define the term track, cylinder, and sector. A. Track for sector, cylinder for track. B. Sector is a platter. C. Cylinder is only for SSDs. D. Track for circle, cylinder for same track on all platters. Sector for subdivision of track. The correct answer is track for circle, cylinder for same track on all platters, sector for subdivision of track. What are the advantages of using a glass substrate for a magnetic disk? A. Lower cost only. B. Better flatness, rigidity, higher speed, higher density. C. Only lower power. D. Only higher capacity. The correct answer is better flatness, rigidity, higher speed, higher density. How are data written and read on from a magnetic disk? A. Using optical reflection. B. Using laser beams. C. By magnetic polarization changes. D. Using electrical charges. The correct answer is by magnetic polarization changes. Briefly define the 7 RAID levels. A. RAID is only for SSDs. B. All RAID levels are identical. C. RAID 0 up to 6 with different redundancy and performance trade-offs. D. Only RAID 0 and 1 exists. The correct answer is RAID 0 up to 6 with different redundancy and performance trade-offs. How redundancy achieved in a RAID system? A. Through compression. B. Through mirroring or parity. C. Only through backup software. D. Through encryption. The correct answer is through mirroring or parity. List and discuss the physical characteristics of disk system. A. Only capacity. B. Only cache size. C. Head motion, rotation speed, platter material, form factor, interface. D. Only power consumption. The correct answer is head motion, rotation speed, platter material, form factor, interface. What are 3 broad classifications of external devices? A. Human readable, machine readable, communication. B. Analog only, digital only. C. USB only, serial only. D. Input only, output only. The correct answer is human readable, machine readable, communication. What are the major functions of an input-output module? A. Only power supply. B. Only data storage. C. Only data conversion. D. Control, timing, communication, buffering, error detection. The correct answer is control, timing, communication, buffering, error detection. What are the 3 techniques for performing input-output? A. Only polling. B. Only DMA. C. Only interrupts. D. Programmed input-output, interrupt-driven input-output, and DMA. The correct answer is programmed input-output,